Alright guys, this guy's ready. Take a look at this. Take a look at this beautiful shiny color right there. You see all this? This little compact guy is amazing. Now I grab this guy right here, and I got two options. I can put it on the battle. That's what I'm doing right now, or I can put it on the top too. I got two in one. So I just set up this. That's the timer I got. I got 249 Fahrenheit, and that's it. This guy works amazing. I love this little guy. Look at this. It's so small right there. I can put it under my other equipment, and it's well protected and super amazing. You know, if you guys want to get this, just let me know, and you know, I can, you know, get these guys for you guys directly. This is one of the best machines I had. I've been using this for quite a few months right now, and not a few months, a few weeks. And I'm gonna be honest with you, this guy is impressive, and the support is amazing. I'm gonna let you guys know so you guys can go and get this guy. Just let me know if you want one of these guys. Just contact me, and you know, I'm gonna be able to send you the information about this dude. All right, but this guy is amazing. You know, he got a little vent in the back, so it's blowing everything. And I'm gonna tell you something, because I'm using basically this powder right here. This is the one from Brother, and I'm not gonna use another brand. This one, I'm gonna be honest with you, I don't feel any fumes. I noticed when this is got at the end of this, you know, the top, it got some water that, you know, is for the humidity, but just I keep it open and then everything dissipates. But you know, some guys use filters. I'm not using this probably for my small shop, but everything is amazing. It's working super good. You guys can see the timer right there, probably because of my watch. You guys can see 260. That's the seconds I got left. And well, there you have it, guys. This is a beautiful heat press that you can raise from here. You can open it right here and raise this up. And well, let's go, and I'm gonna show you guys this in a few minutes. All right.